Imagine an outdoor security camera with full color night vision, with rechargeable battery and optional solar panel. Built-in 16 GB of fast storage, AI human and PIR detection, and two-way audio. Imagine no more, as Vacus Cam have it all. Lose some more, but let's see it. Hello, Kirill Pejanskis here. Vacus Cam is rated to last up to 6 months with one charge. On top, you can attach a solar panel for an eco-friendly and non-stop charging way. That means set and forget that camera. And when we are talking about setting a camera up, until now I have never seen an easier to mount camera than the Vacus Cam with its magnetic back panel. Be careful here because it is easy to unmount the camera as well, and someone can steal it if there is a physical access to it. If you want to steal something, you can steal the grey color from the YouTube like button so it becomes blue. Just kidding here, do not worry too much that someone will steal your camera, as Vacus have included a regular mount in the package. But let's see what else we have in the box. This is the Vacus Cam and this is the Vacus solar panel. Let's unbox them. I'll start first with the Vacus solar panel. They have a very long cable, some kind of waterproofing. This is for mounting. You can unscrew this and move in whatever direction you wish, and then you can screw this again. Mounting kit and a manual. This is the camera box. This is how the camera looks like. Smart security, safe and sound. Very good. Let's open it. Very nice box. And this is the camera. Vacus. Please tear it off. Speaker. Charging port. This is for mounting. Quick start guide. And the cable. Micro USB cable. To initially set up the camera, you need to use the Vacus mobile app that can be downloaded from iOS App Store or Google Play. I already downloaded the Vacus mobile app and I created a Vacus account. I will log in now. I will tap on the plus button to add a new device and I will select the battery cam. I will follow the instructions now, which are to hold the reset button for 6 seconds.
Welcome and thanks for choosing Vacus device. Initializing device, please wait. Waiting for setup.
I'll tick this and I'll press on I know. This is my Wi-Fi SSID and I'll enter my Wi-Fi password. I'll click next. I have to scan this device code and I'll put my phone in front of the camera.
Connecting Wi-Fi.
Connecting Wi-Fi. Scan succeeded. Trying to connect the device.
Device is now online.
I'll name my device. Actually, the font is white. I don't know why is that, and I can hardly see the name. But the name is Yard IPC, and I'll hit OK. If I hit the play button, I can now update the firmware. I like the fact that Vacus are actually telling you what is going to be updated with the new firmware. Unfortunately, this is not the case with a lot of smart home devices, but not here. After the firmware upgrade is finished, I can open the live view of the camera, and actually this is it. It is working and it seems very good. The gear icon in the upper right corner takes me to the Vacus camera settings, where PIR motion sensitivity can be set to low, medium or high. You can check the camera's battery level adjust the speaker volume, subscribe to the cloud service, and set a recording schedule. Just to confirm here, cloud subscription is optional and you can decide by yourself where to use it or not. The VacusCam also offers intelligent motion detection that filters motion from bushes, cars and animals and can focus on human detection only. It also offers a siren that sounds when a person enters the motion zone. Of course, the siren could be disabled from the mobile app if you don't want to use it. Now let's mount the VacusCam along with the solar panel and to see them in action. Installing the VacusCam was quick and easy. I attached the solar panel to the camera and attached them to the sliding of my house using the magnetic mount. For best results, the angle between the wall and the solar panel have to be 45 degrees. And when you connect the solar panel to the camera, make sure that the panel is actually charging the camera. Launch the Vacus app and check if the charging icon can be seen. As always, I want to share that the guys from Vacus sent me the camera and the solar panel for test and honest review. And here are the things that I like and I didn't like. There is no RTSP and OVIF support available. That means you cannot connect the camera to Blue Iris or Home Assistant, for example. VacusCam support Amazon Echo devices. Google Assistant is in coming soon state, but what I missed the most is HomeKit support. And these are the things that I liked. The installation with the magnetic back panel and the initial setup with the Vacus mobile app was a breeze. True full color night vision is also something that I appreciate a lot. So this is the true full color night vision. It is 9 o'clock. The sun has set 2-3 hours ago. I'll change this to HD mode and I'll turn around my phone. I can see a green color, the red, yellow and blue. Very good. I'm actually impressed with the quality. Pretty nice. AI detection is also a very good feature that can save you from a lot of false positive alarms. And last but not least, for just $10 you can get the camera and the solar panel bundle where you can set and forget that camera. In general, if Vacus decide to open the RTSP protocol and to add HomeKit support, this will probably be the best wireless camera available out there. And if you decide to buy the Vacus camera, you can use the affiliate links in the video description below. Make sure that you hit the subscribe, like and bell buttons if you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and don't forget, home smart but not hard. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.